Are you someone that wants to become a SOC analyst? Do you have certifications and little to no practical experience? Perhaps you tried researching and they tell you to build a SIM and generate alerts, but you aren't sure how or where to start. Don't worry, I got you. What if I told you that there is a way to obtain a ton of practical experience within the next 30 days, all for free? Would you be interested? Well, I am excited to introduce you to the 30-day MyDFIR SOC Analyst Challenge, and the sole purpose is to help aspiring SOC analysts like yourself obtain practical experience in 30 days. To be completely transparent, I did think long and hard about making this into a paid course, but at the end of the day, it would be much better to provide this for free so you can obtain the skills and hopefully I could help make an impact in your cybersecurity career. Now, at the end, if you did enjoy the challenge and are in the financial position, you can then think about supporting me by purchasing the MyDFIR SOC Analyst course. If this is your first time seeing my video, hello, my name is Steven, and I have been in the cybersecurity industry for about 8 years now, focusing within the security operations domain, and I am now a DFIR consultant. One of the main reasons as to why I created this challenge is due to the lack of practical experience that a lot of entry-level SOC candidates are missing. Certifications and theory is good, but you need to learn how to apply that. Before I break down what the 30-day MyDFIR SOC Analyst challenge is, I do want to say that those who actually complete the challenge will have a chance at winning some prizes, as I'll be doing a giveaway for one grand prize of the MyDFIR SOC Analyst course, and 3 additional prizes for 1 month TryHackMe vouchers. Just as an FYI, this video is not sponsored by TryHackMe, but I highly believe in their platform. You can find more details about this giveaway down below. But there are a total of 5 things that you must do in order to participate in the giveaway. And yes, this will require a bit of work, but it's pretty worth it at the end. And who knows, there might not be a lot of people who actually complete all of them. And if that's the case, you'll have a higher chance of winning. I did it this way to reward those who really want to become a SOC analyst and put in the work. And if you don't end up winning, hey, at least you have obtained some solid practical skills that you can put onto your resume and be able to talk about it in your interviews. So what exactly is the 30-day MyDFIR SOC Analyst Challenge? This is a challenge where I'll be posting every day throughout the month of September. And the goal is to teach you something new every single day until the end of the month. And this is what you should expect to learn. Within 30 days, you'll learn how to draw a logical diagram, how to set up and configure your own Elastic and Kibana instance, how to attack, detect, and investigate malware, SSH/RDP brute force activity, how to create alerts and dashboards using Kibana, and how to set up and integrate your own ticketing system. To break it down into weeks, starting with week number 1, I'll be introducing you to the ELK stack, how to set up ELK, along with ingesting logs including sysmon from endpoints. In week 2, we'll go over brute force attacks, how to set up a public SSH and RDP server, along with alerts and dashboard creations. Week 3, we'll go over command and control, aka C2, and how you can spin up your own C2 server using Mythic. And we'll start attacking our public servers. Week 4, you'll learn how to set up and integrate a ticketing system, and we'll go over some investigations as well. All of this is going to be done up in the cloud using Vultr. And I'll put a link down below for a free $300 credit, which is more than enough to finish this challenge. Now do note that you are free to use whatever cloud provider you want, as long as they can spin up a Windows virtual machine. And yes, you can also do this on-prem, but the main reason why I am choosing the cloud is because this challenge can be quite resource intensive, and some may not have the capability to host everything on their machine. So I highly recommend that you do go the cloud route with free credits. I hope that you're as excited as I am to get started, and in this channel, I always talk about the importance of practical experience. So if you're an aspiring SOC analyst, I want you to listen very closely. I want you to participate in the giveaway, because this will give you a chance to win the grand prize for my course, which will help you become an amazing SOC analyst. And hopefully, that alone will give you the motivation to complete the challenge. As I know, some of you are guilty of lacking the discipline to take action. If you are planning on participating, I want you to comment the word SOC. I would love to see how many of you plan on taking on this challenge. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on September 1st. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.